Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Zara, and today we're diving into something we all need, a day dedicated entirely to relaxation and rejuvenation. So, grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's set the tone for our day with a gentle morning meditation and some stretching. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and take a few deep breaths. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. This will help clear your mind and prepare you for a peaceful day ahead. Follow this with some light stretches to wake up your body and release any tension. Next up, let's fuel our bodies with a nourishing breakfast. Today, I'm making a delicious smoothie bowl packed with fruits, nuts, and seeds. It's not only super tasty, but also full of nutrients to keep us energized throughout the day. Check out the recipe in the description below. Now that we've had a great start, it's time to get some fresh air. Heading outside can do wonders for our mental health. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike, or simply sitting in your garden, spending time in nature is incredibly rejuvenating. Don't forget to bring a book or a journal if you like a bit of solo time. After our outdoor adventure, let's tap into our creative side. Engaging in a creative activity like drawing, painting, or even writing can be incredibly relaxing and fulfilling. Today, I'm going to do some watercolor painting. Remember, it's not about creating a masterpiece, but about enjoying the process. To wrap up our day of relaxation, it's time for some self-care. A warm bath with Epsom salts and essential oils can help soothe sore muscles and calm the mind. Light some candles, play soft music, and just let yourself unwind. If baths aren't your thing, try a face mask or a foot soak. And that's a wrap on our ultimate relaxation day. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you take some time for yourself to relax and rejuvenate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.